and welcome back to a new review video with me, Cassie. In this video I will test the Fiido D3PRO, which is a nice little city bike that is perfect for commuting back and forth to work. Since I work as a truck driver, I sit still most of my days and I don't get much exercise, which is why a bike is perfect for me when riding to work. Because that's what I mostly do. I ride my e-bike to work, both to get some exercise and also to save some fuel in these times where the fuel is crazy expensive. So first things first, we're gonna begin with the unboxing. Ooh, a pedal! 2 pedals! Yeah, preferably 2. I don't know, the box is not ready for you yet. I think the next thing I have to do is just lift it up. Can you not? Oh, that went easy. So this is what it looks like. The design is of course similar to the D2S. Like that, yeah, and then we fold it up. Easy looking. Like that, yes. And then this one, the seat. This is where it unlocks. And then we just put it there. Nice. We do need some pedals now though. On the left side, yay! The seat is quite stuffed, I like it, so it is very comfortable. And it's also included a little tail light in this bike that you can turn on in different modes, blinking, more blinking, and just on. And it does glow harder when you hit the brakes, so that's a great thing. I actually only recommend this mode, the sturdy glowing light. Yeah, this is also a blink light. Now it's off. So, you know, as a truck driver, I find it very disturbing with blinking lights in the traffic. So only use a solid light is my recommendation. So on this bike, the battery is included here in the frame. It is not foldable in the middle. And here's where you put in the charger. You charge the bike at home or at the office. From 0 to fully charged, it's about 4 to 5 hours. Now this bike only has 1 gear, so if you don't have any battery, it is very difficult to pedal actually. Unless you have a perfectly smooth way home on asphalt. Because this bike definitely runs best on asphalt. That's what it's built for, it's a city commute bike. And for that purpose, I think it works great. In the front we have a light. I'm gonna show you. Turn it on. You have the light here. Hello, darlings. Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. I did not expect this. Wow, hello. Like, you're doing one of those review videos? You guys are adorable. This is amazing. Hi. Hi, little duckies. This bike takes up very little space when it's folded. When unfolded too, actually. This is how easy it is to fold this bike together. Also, as you can see, the bike is very adjustable for the rider's height. Me myself, I am 175 centimeters tall and I ride this bike without a problem. On my last e-bike review video, a lot of people in the comments were asking, why should we have an e-bike? What's the point of having an electric bike? Can't you just pedal yourself? So I wanna reply to that by bringing up the benefits of having an e-bike. 1. My favorite part, I can ride a bike to work and arrive to my truck without being all sweaty. 2. You still get exercise since you do have to pedal yourself for most of the time. 3. Since the battery is boosting you, you can go further without spending your own energy as much. 4. The Fiido e-bikes are smaller than a standard bike and take up way less space when they are stored. And 5. Riding uphill. You don't have to struggle or even hop off the bike when riding up a steep hill when you have an e-bike, and that is so amazing. And speaking of uphill riding, I'm gonna do this little test. So here behind me I have a fairly steep hill, and I'm gonna ride it upwards, firstly without the help of the battery. Then I will test the assisted pedaling on the 3 steps and see how much difference it makes. Finally, I will ride it on 100% electric power without any pedaling. As you can tell, I'm having quite a struggle to get up the hill without any electric power helping me. And also this bike only has 1 gear, so that's a bit of a struggle as well. Now let's do it again with the first step of the pedal assistance. Also, you do have to reach a certain speed before the assistant actually kicks in. And it's about right here. It's already a big difference. I actually think the second step might be unnecessary here because this hill is not very steep. But I had to struggle way less with just the first step of the pedal assistance. So I'm gonna go straight to this third assistant grid. And as you can tell, you do need to get up to a certain speed before the assistance kicks in. So starting from uphill with 0 speed is a pretty bad idea. But you can really feel as the third step kicks in because it goes pretty fast, almost too fast sometimes. And now I'm gonna test going up the hill without any pedaling at all, and the only power being from the battery. But you do need a little bit of speed before you can activate it, it's the best. So I might do some pedaling to just get it going. Alright! So that was the hill test. I could probably have found a more steep hill, but I think it went okay. You can tell that the engine is struggling a bit when you're going up a steep hill without pedaling anything yourself. Me myself, when I ride it, I usually do pedaling also to save some of the battery. But yeah, it works. But overall I think it's a great bike. So, after using this bike for a few months, I must say I really enjoy it. It is a really fun bike to drive, and it rides very smoothly on the roads. The weight of the bike is around 17 kilos, and riders with different heights and lengths can ride it. However, the maximum weight for this bike is 120 kilos, and I think people over 190 centimeters will think it's too small for them. The bike's maximum speed is 25 kilometers per hour because of European standards. It takes 4 to 5 hours to charge fully, and the range is up to 60 kilometers, all depending on how much battery you use, of course. The price tag is normally around 700 euros, and I think it's a very fair price. And if you follow the link in the description and use my code CASSI50, you'll get 50 euro off on this bike. Isn't that neat? And finally, I want to thank all of you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And thank you, Fiido, for making this video possible. Stay safe out there. Bye! This is Cassie. Thank you so much for watching.